We realized we need to renovate. Jolene got in touch with me and it was such a pleasure. We had great talks, sharing our plans. She was very helpful coming up with alternatives, and I have a very tight timeline because at that time, this one here just got married in the summer and decided to move home with his wife. Basically, we had the whole basement renovated and they were able to accommodate us in a very short timeline.
Incredible how fast they accomplished everything with minimal difficulties, with minimal road bumps.
But so conscientious about not just getting it done quickly, but getting it done right. The quality of work is amazing.
During the renovation process, they were very punctual, they were very respectful for the occupants, for the people in the place, for the space. Communication was very good.
I just want to compliment the project manager. He shares his ideas with us, or recommendations on how we can improve the space and all that. Behind us here, there's a hideout. We didn't have a hideout like this.
Coming down here now, the lights are so bright, air is so pure, like the noise too, like it's just like, it's incredible. Like we were in here playing board games and yelling and screaming, and my wife was in the other room and didn't hear us at all. Thank you, Sozna.
We'll definitely recommend their service to anyone who's interested in getting renovation done. We are just so happy.
Yeah, could not be happier with the final result.